All right, here we are, our last full day in Clark, and we made it to, where did we make it?
Aqua Planet.
Aqua Planet. So we're gonna go see how many fun rides we can find, right?
Yeah.
You ready? You ready for water terror?
The sun's out. It wasn't out yesterday, but
I
it is now
know,
out.
now it's out, it's so nice.
I don't even know. We're going on the spiral slide. Okay, so after our 14-kilometer hike yesterday, a nice cool day, and the water is fun. So the kids are gonna have some fun. But Amelia's not allowed on most of the rides, so we have to take shifts. Okay, George. Sophia, how was the ride?
It was nice. I loved it.
It was a lot of fun. So we're actually gonna go do it again because we were having fun on the spiral slide. Yay! Thank you.
How was the ride, Finn? Woo! Oh boy! Oh! Woo-hoo! Oh boy!
Whoa! Amelia! Say cheese! Say cheese, everybody! 1, 2, 3!
Why, Sophia? Why you slow this down? Yeah, you have your own tubo.
Sophia keeps trying to pretend to fall. We know that she actually is doing it on purpose.
It's the snake. The python. You got me wet.
I want to do it again.
Why'd it get me wet? Well, it's too late.
Have a great day.
Oh, Sunny, hold on. No! Whoa!
I thought this was not that bad.
Yeah, it's slow. This one's slow.
Is it getting slow?
Oh boy, that was fast. Wet.
So we just went on, me and Dad went on the red side and then we went on the purple side with Dad. Now, we're gonna try the purple one again, just me and Finley, and then, cause I love it. And then we're gonna do the red one with Finley, cause neither of us did it. Yeah, so, here we are. Super fast. That is the funnest ride. Whoa! This is my favorite part. Is this scary?
Nope. But at the end, it gives you a little shock.
This is boring.
Wait a second. I think I was supposed to be in the back.
This is boring.
It gets fun at the end. Like it's like the purple rain.
Does it drop?
Nope.
What does it do?
It does something different.
Sophia, tell me. I just got sprayed with water.
Thank you. Yes. Oh, sorry. Yes.
Do not open your legs, not take your legs, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Outside.
You didn't tell me it was completely dark.
Strong man. So strong. Keep going.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, Julia.
It's not tight at all.
It's okay.
I'm afraid of it falling.
No, it's okay. It's okay.
Okay. Why? Do you want to switch? What? Here, what comes?
Here it comes. I love that part.
Oh my goodness.
Your last ride.
Yeah, it is.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
You pumped?
I want you to see how fun this is.
All right.
So fun!
We're about to go down the red slide.
Woo-hoo! Woo!
It's kind of boring after a while. This is boring, but then at the end it's very
Okay. Oh, no, 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 no. No, 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 no.
Okay,
Excuse me. Woo!
right, so the park closed at 4. It was pretty early, but we stayed until right away. And then we didn't realize it, but there's no Grab drivers available at this very moment. So we are having to walk to the very entrance where all like the main road is to see if we can get a driver to take us back. But hopefully we will, because I don't think we can drive back to the Airbnb. But we'll find out. And yes, I'm as red as a tomato. Still trying to find someone to take us back to the Airbnb. Hey, what was your favorite part of the trip of today?
Okay, my favorite part was the water part. And my favorite person that I was playing with is that baby.
What she's talking about is there's this little girl that kept grabbing Amelia's hand and taking her to play with her for like almost, it was hours. And it was so sweet because she was calling her Ate.
I was letting her go wherever she wanted because she was fine.
You were so sweet to her. I was very thankful how kind you were.
I want to go there again for them.
Yeah.
I want to go to a house.
Oh my. Yeah, the little girl was like, Ate, where's my Ate? So it was very, very sweet. We found a taxi. Right, Finley? That was Amelia. We would have walked back if there was a sidewalk, but there's no sidewalk.
I don't want to walk back. I want to walk back. No, the heights.
We made it to New Clark City. Check out the future of Clark. They had I think the Asian Games here in 2019. So here's the aquatic center that they used in 2019. What do you think, Sophia, of this pool? It's nice.
Beautiful. I think it's 10. There's a 0 at the end.
High dive area. The big jumps. 10 lanes. Just north of Clark, the main city. That's some of the city here. Big old stadium. It is very hot today in the sun, so it is good to be in the shade and the air conditioning today. Track and field arena.
This is like 10 times bigger than the one at school.
Yep.
Oh yeah. They get off and then jump on it and they have to go through.
Yeah, you can see a high jump. Yeah, I think so. Yep.
You can make it the whole way. Do you think you can make it the whole way?
That's a long. This is probably a quarter mile.
It's beautiful. It's very well taken care of. So maybe they'll do something with it in the future. Give a dance? Oh my. Oh yeah. Cool.
After an epic hike to Mount Pinatubo Crater Lake, we needed to cool off and relax. So the next day we headed to Aqua Planet. It is our favorite water park in the Philippines so far. We hope you enjoyed our vlog to Clark Freeport and it inspires you to make the trip yourself.